How to contact Amazon customer service. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To contact your Amazon customer service, type in amazon.com in a preferred browser or search for your Amazon application in your Play Store or App Store. Now over here, if you have any query regarding the services of Amazon or your particular order, it is pretty simple to reach out to Amazon support. At the top, once you're logged in, you will find a user icon. Just click on it. After which, scroll down until you find the option of customer service below your orders. Tap on it. In here, you'll find various of articles related to your problem. You can select on any of this one or even manually type in your query in the search bar. Depending upon your problem, you can just click on it. Then you will see that an automated chat will begin. You can just tap on any of this option that is pre-prompted to you, after which the Amazon support will give you some of the instructions to solve your issue. If you need more help, you can tap on I need more help. Then you'll be able to send them an email or even start live chatting, or you can request a phone call. If not, you can browse for more related topics for this. Now to live chat with an agent, tap on Start Chatting Now. Now as you can see, an agent has joined our chat. So you can just type in your issue over here and select on the send button, after which the customer service will help you with necessary issues. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. After which the customer service will help you with necessary issues.